On the screen, we observe a system that uses a 1/4 HP piston compressor, designed for both cooling and freezing, and operates with our 404A refrigerant gas. Now, let's detail the 10 most relevant technical characteristics of this system, which every competent technician should know. 1. At -20 degrees Celsius, equivalent to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, the system provides a cooling capacity of 1340 BTU per hour, equivalent to 337 kilocalories per hour. 2. At -10 degrees Celsius, equivalent to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, the cooling capacity is 2036 BTU per hour, equivalent to 513 kilocalories per hour. 3. The nominal electrical consumption of the 1/4 HP compressor, known as RLA, is 2.35 amperes at 110 volts and 1.18 amperes at 220 volts. You can verify this value using the ammeter clamp. 4. For a temperature of -20 degrees Celsius, a capillary tube with a diameter of 0.039 inches and a length of 4.6 feet, equivalent to 1.41 meters, is recommended. On the screen, we are showing other alternative measurements for the capillary tube. 5. For a temperature of -10 degrees Celsius, a capillary tube of 0.047 inches in diameter and a length of 6.46 feet, equivalent to 1.97 meters, is suggested. On the screen, we are showing other alternative measurements for the capillary tube. 6. For low-temperature applications, the working pressure on the low-pressure gauge is 30.5 pounds per square inch at -20 degrees Celsius. In case you need to recharge the equipment, always remember to do it in liquid phase, or by turning the refrigerant bottle 180 degrees, as our 404A is internally composed of several gases. 7. For medium temperature applications, the working pressure on the low pressure gauge is 50 pounds per square inch at -10 degrees Celsius. 8. The high pressure in any equipment working with our 404A should be around 285 pounds per square inch for outdoor ambient temperatures of around 35 degrees Celsius. 9. The compressor in these systems uses POE-type oil, mainly of the POE32 type. Remember to change the compressor oil when it has been exposed to the external environment, for example, due to leaks, meaning it has been completely depressurized, or when the oil appears abnormal, such as black or dark brown. 10. The average amount of oil required for the compressor is 230 cubic centimeters in volume.